The Great Chicago Fire of 1871 had a profound impact on the city's architecture. It destroyed much of the central business district, forcing architects and city planners to rebuild. This tragedy led to the birth of the Chicago School of Architecture, known for pioneering the use of steel frame construction, allowing for the creation of skyscrapers. This approach revolutionized urban architecture and gave rise to some of the first modern skyscrapers. One of the most significant developments in Chicago's architectural history was the construction of the Home Insurance Building in 1885, designed by William Le Baron Jenney. Often regarded as the world's first skyscraper, it utilized a steel frame structure, setting a precedent for modern high-rise construction. In the early 20th century, the Prairie School of Architecture emerged in Chicago, led by Frank Lloyd Wright. This movement emphasized horizontal lines, open floor plans, and a close relationship between architecture and the natural environment. Wright's famous Robie House in Chicago exemplifies this style and had a lasting impact on modern residential architecture. The world's Columbian Exposition of 1893, also known as the Chicago World's Fair, was a major turning point in architectural history. The fair featured the White City, designed in the Beaux-Arts style by prominent architects like Daniel Burnham and Frederick Law Olmsted. This event introduced millions to classical architecture and urban planning concepts. Inspiring the City Beautiful movement in the U.S., Chicago played a crucial role in the development of modernist architecture, particularly through the work of Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, a leading figure of the international style. After immigrating to the U.S., Mies van der Rohe became the head of the architecture school at the Illinois Institute of Technology and designed numerous landmark buildings, including Crown Hall and the 860 to 880 Lake Shore Drive apartments. His minimalist, less is more philosophy greatly influenced the city's skyline. In the latter half of the 20th century, Chicago saw the rise of postmodern architecture, which incorporated historical references and ornamental design as a reaction to the minimalist international style. Notable examples include AT&T Corporate Center and Harold Washington Library. Today, Chicago continues to evolve, with groundbreaking designs like the Aqua Tower by Jean Gang, showcasing a commitment to innovation and sustainability. Chicago is also known for its efforts in architectural preservation and adaptive reuse. Landmarks such as the Chicago Water Tower, one of the few buildings to survive the Great Fire, and the restoration of Louis Sullivan's Carson Pirie Scott and Company building are key examples of how the city values its architectural history. Subscribe for more architecture insights.